In this video, I'm gonna show you how to automatically scan and download Reels from Instagram just by some clicks. So now let's get to the point. Okay, so first of all, we should have an Instagram account. For example, this is my account. And we add an account here, okay? And then we go to the scanning function and load. Remember on the previous video, I showed you about the TikTok, the Facebook, and the YouTube. So next time will be Instagram. So firstly, I will choose the account used to scan, right? So what about we have the keyword or the user? For example, if the user, this is the ID in the Instagram, okay? But in this video, I will go for keyword. Is it easier? Okay, I will have the marketing keyword here and maximum. I will scan and we'll start scanning. Wait just a few seconds. Okay, you see it? It will be shown over here automatically with a lot of fields. For example, the video name, URL video, the comment, the likes number, as well as the transmission. We cannot see the share because this is due to the Instagram policy. The foundation, the duration, create time, as well as the status. The status here is that we have download. Okay, so when we download, it will turn out complete. Okay, for example, I will choose the 10 video and we start download. Remember, the number of video downloads will be 10 threads on the download configuration in the video download configuration, and we save it according to the title as well as save the file in another folder. I have the photo videos here. Okay, and we start. It will take you just some seconds only. You see over here. Okay, complete. Now let's check. We go to the folder videos. Okay, and these are all 10 Instagram reels. Let's choose one to check. Okay, and that is easy, right? And that's all about our video today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorial every week. See you in the next video.